When I got this permanent position with Old Mutual, I had to go for a medical examination, and we thought there would be deductions for the medical aid scheme because it was compulsory to fall or to be registered under the medical aid scheme, but there was no deductions. And when I queried mine, they said I need to hang in there. And then a day after that, somebody phoned me from HR to say I need to contact my doctor. Gave me the test results that I was HIV positive. I was very shocked.
We are suing the Old Mutual on behalf of one of our clients. She was excluded from 3 out of 4 employee benefit schemes simply because of her HIV status.
I did ask the doctor, what if I don't go for this test? Because to me, that was a total discrimination. He said to me, you have a right to say no, but then you will automatically not qualify for the other schemes.
Our client was given a letter of appointment and then requested to attend a medical examination, and all that she was asked to sign in respect of the HIV test was a standard LOA consent form, which did not include any form of pre-test or post-test counselling. In fact, when she told the Old Mutual that she may require post-test counselling, she was told that because you have a family doctor, we cannot assist you with post-test counselling, your family doctor should do the counselling.
I asked the reasons why I cannot belong to their medical aid scheme, and they say the belief is that I'm going to abuse because I will need expensive medication and I will be hospitalized more often, and that made me even feel worse. I knew I was not going to die. It was not a death sentence or something like that. I'm fine. I'm even fine now. So I didn't understand why. I spoke to a lady from Napwa. She gave me a telephone number to contact the AIDS Law Project, which fights against discrimination of people living with HIV.
Well, in this particular case, what occurred was that we sued the Old Mutual and not the 3 funds independently, simply because they are in-house schemes, and we feel that the Old Mutual exercises direct and very important control over the schemes and substantial power in the sense that the Old Mutual could change the rules of the schemes if they wish to. The matter did proceed to the CCMA, which is the Commission for Conciliation, Mediation and Arbitration, and the Old Mutual raised the point that they were not the correct party to sue, that instead we should be suing the schemes independently. However, the CCMA ruled in our favour, and that's sort of a landmark decision, in that where there are in-house schemes and where employees don't have an option of joining other schemes other than those offered by the employer is responsible for the benefits that it provides and does exercise direct control over the schemes, and we are therefore allowed to continue with the case against the Old Mutual and not bring separate actions against each of the 3 funds that have excluded our client.
I wasn't sure whether anybody knew that I was living with HIV at work, because if management know and I don't belong to their medical aid scheme, somebody might find out easily. My colleagues would chat about medical aid and I would have nothing to say about it. So I wasn't sure whether is there enough confidentiality in the company, and it did affect my performance. There was times when I was stressed out, not because of the type of job I was doing. I've worked in the call center for the last 5 years, but because of the treatment, I didn't know who to be angry with. So each and every member of management I came across, I would be very angry with them.
Whereas before there were certain grounds on which you could not unfairly discriminate, the legislators have now included HIV status as a grounds on which you cannot unfairly discriminate, and that's provided for in the Employment Equity Act. The reason why we had to go the route of the Labour Relations Act in the Old Mutual case is because the Employment Equity Act only came into effect on the 9th of August 1999. That is the section dealing with HIV and AIDS, which means as at 9th August 1999, any employer in this country who wishes to conduct HIV testing would have to get the appropriate permission from the Labour Court.
And those individuals out there at that building who are HIV positive must also stand up and do something about it. It is illegal.
There are a large number of medical aid schemes in this country who are now providing reasonable HIV cover. The new Medical Schemes Act actually compels all medical aid schemes in this country to accept members who are HIV positive and to at least provide them with the prescribed minimum benefits.
I will continue my fight with Old Mutual until I win, because I want the right for everybody who is HIV positive not to be neglected.